Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Lamakan here live once again. Another keycap reveal, this time from Judy or Hootie or Judy, which one are you? But surprisingly, a different package, more like a cylinder capsule type of thing with a sticker right on top. Yeah, I thought it was steel at first, but no, it's all plastic. Very nice, very light. Really love it. You can't really hear anything. I really love it. It's different. There's no cardboard box around this at all. So this could be used for something a little bit more useful. At least the package. Anyways, let's just open this bad boy up and see what we got this time. If I could even open it in one hand. Oh wow, okay. Voila, voila, voila. This reminds me of like the old film back in the early 2000s where we had to use a film cartridge to be stored in here so it won't damage the film. It reminds me of that. Once again, I was a child, but I vaguely remember that occurring in the early days of taking photography. But a lot of, okay, this man really just stacked up the whole thing in here, man. That's a lot of paper, jeez. This is definitely going to recycling, bro, like what? Okay, I know Peter Kiwis did the same, but there was no need to pack this much, bro. But I appreciate it. Okay, the whole thing is just filled with that stuff. Okay, I guess a layer of protection. I appreciate it. And he hid the thing in a little plastic bag. Wow. What in the world? Isn't this a little cute? It's like a cow, but it's not a cow. It's a French Bulldog, if you guys can see that. Let's just take this out of the package. And voila. It is a French cow Bulldog hybrid. At first, it looked kind of scary and given the lighting. Like, the eyes are just, like, completely dark. It gave me, like, a Nilo and Stitch kind of vibe. And that's why I kind of brought it, because it kind of reminded me of Nilo and Stitch. But it really isn't. On top of that, wow, this feels really high quality. Like the painting is like, it's not hand painted, is it? No, it's not. Like, it feels so accurate. Wow. You can see the details there. Again, this seems very fragile. I'm really hoping not to drop it. Unfortunately, it's not RGB friendly, but I say it will look pretty nice. And once again, I know it's quite random, but I thought it looked kind of spooky given the eyes it has, right? And I thought it would blend well together with all the other spooky recaps I have. And yeah, I really like this one. I really like it. And not only that, it came with some cards I forgot to show you guys. And this is what the card came with. Very, very sneaky. Look at that. Thank you for your purchase. And this is the vendor. Please check them out. Judy Hootie _3D. I'll definitely check out their stuff. Thank you so much. I really like it. There were like different colors for this breed, and yeah, I really appreciate it. And another reason why I got this is because it reminded me of one of my friends. She's really into French dogs, and like, you know what? I'll get this because it kind of reminds me of her in a sense. Not only that, this vendor also provided some safety precautions, and it tells you, hey, please use a wire puller to pull this out and keep it 90 degrees and don't drop it. So I can see why these parts could easily be chipped, if anything. And I'm actually scared to put this on my keyboard if I'm constantly using it, so I might have to like put it somewhere else for safekeeping, or at least try not to like use this keycap often than not. But anyways, I hope you guys like this little guy. I'm not sure what I'm going to name him, but please leave a like and subscribe. The French Bulldog, Monsieur. Thank you so much. See you guys later. Bye.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?